Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the background of a video black and white. So if you want to create a cinematic black and white background while keeping your subject in color, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can apply the black and white effect and make your videos look more professional and artistic. So here what you need to do is just open CapCut and then start a new project. Then just upload your videos. So for example in here, I'm going to just use one from the CapCut uh, library. Let's find one. Okay, for example, I'm going to just choose one from here. Okay, this one for example. Click on the video and tap on add. Okay, so click on add, and this is the video. I'm going to make the background black and white, but the woman is still in color. So what you need to do first is duplicate the video on the timeline. Click on it and find duplicate button. Okay, this one's right here, and make one of the video as overlays. So I'm going to just click on the first video and here swipe until you find the overlay button. So now the two videos will be positioned like this, and you can just click on the overlay versions and find the remove background options, this one, and choose auto removal. Okay, so once the background is removed, you can click on the check icon, and now you can just click on the first clip and find filter options in here. Sorry, this one. Swipe until you find the mono category, then just select the black and white filter. Adjust the intensity, and as you guys can see, only the background is now in black and white, but the person at the front is still in color. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.